Hi there, my name is Alexander, and I'm here to share my feedback on my experience working with Besen. I found this company through a Google search and was initially drawn to them because of their extensive RoHs LED lights and affordable prices. When I first contacted Besen, I was having trouble finding a supplier who could meet my specific needs. But after speaking with their sales team, I felt confident that they could provide me with the right products and solutions for my business. Throughout our partnership, I have a great experience working with the team at Besen. They were responsive, knowledgeable, and always willing to go the extra mile to ensure my satisfaction. One particular challenge I faced was the need for customized LED lights with specific dimeswivs abfeorism, but Besen was able to create a custom design that met all of my requirements. What impressed me the most about Besen was their dedication to quality control and customer service. They were always available to answer my questions and concerns, and I could tell that they genuinely cared about my business and success. Thanks you, and I'm highly recommend Besen to you.